In this video I'm gonna show you how to make another techno drop, like Anyma did in these tracks. Including these elements. So let's start off with a kick and bass. First, let's pick a kick from the pack. Let's use this one and drop it in, sounding like this. Then add it into Serum and pick a preset from the new Limbo pack. All the samples we'll be using are coming from the pack. It's linked down below if you want to check it out. Let's use this one and create a running bass MIDI. We are gonna work in A minor. So drop in four short notes, make them a bit shorter to avoid overlapping notes. And bump one note an octave up, sounding like this. And it's solid, so duplicate it. Then we're gonna mix it. First add some compression. And dip the high end of the bass. And of course a sidechain. And then the last thing, to make it a bit more interesting, is automate the mod wheel. So go to last tweak and create an automation clip. And then just make some random automations with it. Like this. So altogether the bass sounds like this. Now we're gonna dive into the first lead sound. We're gonna use around 3 of them, so let's start off with the main one. Again, a preset from the pack. Let's use this typical Anyma style bass block on the root note right here. So then the key is to drop in a lot of fast notes. Like this one, create a rhythm. Then even faster notes. And then just finish off like this. Which sounds a bit boring right now, so we're gonna do 2 things. First, we're gonna automate the pitch bend like this, and the mod wheel as well. Came up with these automations. First, for the pitch bend, we're starting at 50% because the pitch bend can go up and down, giving this effect. Already a bit more interesting than the mod wheel, which is really dope. So now we're gonna mix it. First, add some distortion. Get rid of the low end and boost the highs. OTT. Some compression. And finish it off with reverb and delay. And again a sidechain to use in the drop. So together in a track, it sounds like this. So then we have a lot of space to add in the second lead. I added a new Serum. This time we're gonna use a more melodic sound. Let's use this one and quickly lower down the attack a bit, so we can play a melody with it. We're gonna root, and then we're just gonna walk down the scale. So go to the 6th and 5th note of the scale. And then just start on a note we ended the part before with. this. And then we're gonna do the typical melodic techno thing where you bump it up an octave to create a way more interesting vibe. Yeah, that sounds way better than the previous part, so then we're gonna mix it. Just some basic mixing with a low cut and open up the highs. Some reverb and delay and a sidechain. And then again, to make it more interesting, we're gonna automate the module like this. In melodic techno, the animations are really important to keep it interesting. So that's it for the second lead. Altogether, it sounds like this. Then we're gonna edit the third one, quickly arrange it. We're gonna swap out the first one for a new one. So drop in a new pattern right here. Now in the Serum loaded up. So for this one we're gonna use this really dope moving preset. Quite a complex one, as you can see. But in a track it really brings it to the next level, so drop in a steady note and a root. Like this. Now we're gonna mix it. Just some basic mixing with a low cut. Some compression. Reverb. Delay. And a sidechain. Something like this. We laid out a really solid foundation, so now it's only a matter of filling up the track some more. We're gonna do that with an ARP sound. So, drop in a plug. Let's use this one. And create an ARP melody. Starting on the root. Up to the 5th and 6th note of the scale. And back to the root. Something like this. And just automate the module like this. Like we did with the previous synths. Then I also added some ambiances for the pack. A riser. And a white noise downlifter. So then we only need to arrange it some more. Drop in some drums in the second part. So drop in this head loop. And snare clap. Something like this. So that's how you make an Anyma style drop. I think it turned out really dope. There's some really cool synths, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and see y'all in the next videos.